Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying your friends. It's actually really easy to do, so you just want to start on the Facebook app, and then you want to go to the bottom right, and you'll see the three lines right there. So you want to click on that, and then once you're on this screen, whether it's white or blue, you just want to click See Your Profile or go to Your Profile. Once you're on there, you want to click on the little camera icon on the circle image there, where your original picture is right now. I don't have one right now. So you want to click on that, and then you want to click on Select Profile Picture or Video. Then you want to click on a video that you want to use, or a picture you want to use. And then all you want to do to make sure that nobody will see it on your newsfeed is you want to unclick the Share to Update to Your Newsfeed option at the bottom there. And then you just simply click Save. And then it says Setting Profile Picture. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.